Artificial intelligence is a deep and convoluted world. The scientists who work in this field often rely on jargon and lingo to explain what they are working on. As a result, we frequently have to use those technical terms in our coverage of the artificial intelligence industry. That's why we thought it would be helpful to put together a glossary with definitions of some of the most important words and phrases that we use in our articles. We will regularly update this glossary to add new entries as researchers continually uncover novel methods to push the frontier of artificial intelligence while identifying emerging safety risks. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, is a nebulous term, but it generally refers to AI that's more capable than the average human at many, if not most, tasks. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman describes AGI as the equivalent of a median human that you could hire as a coworker. OpenAI's charter defines AGI as highly autonomous systems that outperform humans at most economically valuable work. Google DeepMind defines AGI as AI that's at least as capable as humans at most cognitive tasks. Even experts remain confused about the exact definition. AI agent. An AI agent uses AI technologies to perform a series of tasks on your behalf, more than just simple chatbot actions. Examples: filing expenses, booking tickets, writing and maintaining code. Infrastructure is still developing, and interpretations of AI agent may vary. The core idea is an autonomous system capable of completing multi-step tasks, often using multiple AI systems. Chain of thought. In humans, solving complex questions often requires intermediate steps. In AI, chain of thought reasoning means breaking down a problem into smaller steps to improve the final result. This method is slower but more accurate in logic-heavy tasks, such as math or coding. It's often reinforced via reinforcement learning. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning involving multi-layered artificial neural networks, ANNs. Benefits include learning from raw data without predefined features, error correction and self-improvement, high data requirements, millions of samples, longer training time and higher costs. C. Neural network. Diffusion. Inspired by physics, diffusion models destroy data structure by adding noise and then learn to reverse the process to regenerate realistic outputs. Use in art generation, music creation, text generation. The concept mirrors reverse diffusion, reconstructing order from chaos. Distillation, a method of creating smaller, efficient models from larger ones using a teacher-student approach. Teacher model is queried for answers. Responses are compared with accurate data. Student model is trained on this feedback. Use of performance optimization, e.g., OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo. However, unauthorized distillation from competitors may violate terms of service. Fine-tuning. Fine-tuning is the additional training of an AI model using specialized data to target a specific task or domain, often used by startups to customize LLM for specific industries. C. Large Language Model, LLM. GAN, Generative Adversarial Network. GANs use two neural networks. Generator creates outputs. Discriminator evaluates them. The two compete, refining the generator's outputs to appear more realistic. Common use cases. Deepfakes, image and video generation. Best suited for narrow applications rather than general-purpose AI. Hallucination. AI hallucination refers to the model producing false or made-up information, a major quality issue. Can result in real-world harm, e.g., bad medical advice, caused by gaps in training data. Leads to the development of more specialized, domain-specific AIs to minimize hallucination risk. Inference. Inference is a process of using a trained model to make predictions or generate responses. Requires prior training. Can run on devices from phones to cloud GPUs. Larger models need more powerful hardware for quick results. C. Training. Large Language Model, LLM. LLMs power AI assistants like ChatGPT, OpenAI, Claude, Anthropic, Gemini, Google, Llama, Meta, Copilot, Microsoft, LeChat, Mistral. They are deep neural networks with billions of parameters, trained on vast datasets, books, articles, transcripts. Predict word based on patterns in language. Generate text word by word through pattern prediction. C. Neural network. Neural network, the backbone of deep learning and generative AI, inspired by the human brain structure. Multilayered, self-improving, enabled by GPU computing. Neural networks transformed AI performance in areas like speech recognition, navigation, drug discovery. C. Large language model, LLM. Training. Training is a process of feeding data into a model so it can learn patterns and generate accurate outputs. Transforms a random mathematical structure into a working model. Adapts outputs to achieve specific goals. Examples: image recognition, text generation. Note, not all AIs require training. Rule-based AIs follow manually programmed instructions and don't rely on training data.